Yeah, we're back here, the Safe Soldier. Let's have a look today on the unboxing from the Cagiva Elephant 850 from Italeri. If you can see, a 1:9 scale, and it's the 78 Dakar motorcycle, of course. It's the old model from Protar. They release it again, but now on the Italeri have the rights of this model. And it's the same box as the BMW. If you can see, the same height. I opened a little bit, but you can see it. The Italeri box is a little bit smaller, but also what's a little bit strange is you paid the most money for the Cagiva, then the BMW, and then the Yamaha Italeri, but well, it's about €5 or something, but a little bit strange. We got a great artwork. Well, great, no, it's a nice artwork. You can see it's an Italian motorbike, of course. It's the Ducati engine, and if you can see a strange gap here, but and we have also a chain. It's the same as the chain of the Yamaha, and that's going to be, of course, a little bit of a help. But let's open it. A moment, please. Yes, you can see the inside the box, of course. We have a lot of stuff. We have, of course, the decals. Look at it. It's great. It's the numbers from Hubert Ariel or Alexandre de Petri. I'm not sure how you call it, but we can see the Lucky Explorer, the Lucky Strike, of course, the sponsorships and the stripes, and the Telefunken numbers, and the black thing. It's from upstairs there, yeah, upstairs, the thing above. We got the instruction guide. Yeah, it's almost the same as the BMW, of course, the same kind of instructions, and it's very good. I must say, I didn't complain. It's really easy, if you can see, really nice. And we have those chains. Oh my God, the hell again! Well, that's not difficult at all. And we have the painting guide. That's really good. In color, that's really nice. The painting guide and how to place the decals. That's really good that they bring it out in color. And now we have the parts. We got a lot of black parts. Oh my God! And the horror is again. We have transparent the lights. You can see that, and of course all the changed things. With wheel terror, but yeah, we choose about it, so we have to do it. The frame is inside, and the wheels, nice black. That's really great. And of course we have the tires, the rubber tires and parts. Yeah, great. And the white parts, the biggest ones, the body, and a little bit black underneath. What is this? The engine parts. Okay, and we see I was already scared that we don't miss it. We have the tubes, of course, the black tubes, and the screw and the springs. One spring on it, free, yeah. Okay, I'm really happy that I have this thing now in my hands, of course. It sounds a little bit strange, but when I was a lot younger, I also had the Protar original Cagiva Elephant, but I built that thing and it was real not good. But I was very young, so well. Now it's another story. I also got, of course, you can see in my other videos, the BMW and the Yamaha Tenere, also the new releases. I think they will not bring out more models from motorcycles. I'm really sure that it won't be this year, but they do Italeri. They bring out a 1:12 scale Lancia. That was fun. A Lancia Delta, of course. I really love that Lancia car. Scale 1:12. That's really good. So maybe I will help Corona. No, I will buy that maybe. But it's really expensive, so maybe or not. But for now, I must say I'm really glad that I own this model. I really love it, and I'm gonna build it, of course. That's really, of course, and that's we'll see a little bit of the artwork, the engine, of course, and the stuff. And I'm also gonna use. I think I ordered some original Italeri paint. yeah, we have the codes on this box, if you can see, and I'm gonna, for the first time, I'm gonna buy Italeri paint. Yes, people, that's a real shock. I'm a little bit of the revel, but also here in Holland we have that stupid lockdown and we cannot buy, and I have a model shop I think about 400 meters here, but everything is closed and it's real shit. This was it for now, of course, with my great English language. I want to say to you, join me on Facebook, of course, Facebook the Safe Shoulder, because we have more work to show you, and join my Facebook. So leave a comment or not for this time, and I must say I see you next time. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment on. Okay, goodbye, and subscribe for more if you want. Goodbye.
Subscribe and join my Facebook, The Safe Soldier. I repeat, subscribe.
Subscribe and join my Facebook, The Safe Soldier. I repeat, subscribe.